Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you LinkedIn learning how to assign courses. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To assign courses to learners in LinkedIn Learning as an administrator, what you need to do first is head over and open up your LinkedIn Learning app. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the Learning Management dashboard. Then click on the content to browse or search for the course, learning path or collection you wish to assign. Then once you have identified the desired content, click the share button and select recommended or assign from the drop down menu. Then in the pop-up window, enter the name or email address of individual learners or select a group to assign the content to. Then you can include a personalized message and set a due date for the assignment. Note that the setting a due date is optional and does not enforce a completion deadline for learners. Then once done, click on recommend or assign to finalize and send the assignment to the selected learners or groups. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.